In this tutorial, we'll see how to zoom into a video using DaVinci Resolve 16. Here I have a video at hand. It's a video of Eiffel Tower, as you can see here. Now what we'll do is, we'll go to the Inspector tab here on the right hand side, click on it, and you can see it has a couple of properties like composite, transform, etc. etc. So we'll make use of the zoom X attribute in the transform property. What we'll do is we need to insert keyframes to make the zoom in, zoom out effect. So all you need to do is keep this thing at the start, at a starting point where you want the animation to start. Now I want the animation to start from the start of the video, so I'm keeping it here. And then go to the transform thing and click on this diamond icon on the right hand side. It turns red. Now go to your video and move the cursor to the point till when you want the zoom to take place. Now I want the zoom in effect to happen between these frames. So I stop at this point, keep it at this point, and go to the zoom property again and increase this. Now the zoom increases until this point. Now similarly, I want to again zoom out of the video towards the end. So I move this further to the end of the video and click on the zoom, and it takes back to the starting point. So now if you see here, while moving the video in and out, it zooms into the video and it zooms out of the video. Now let's see by playing this video how it's working. It slowly zooms into the video, and once it's in the middle portion, it slowly starts to zoom out of the video. That's it. So that's all for this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.